Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Optima brake light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and the correct replacement bulb, often a 7440 or 7443 type. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for safety and to clearly see what you are doing. This preparation will make the process much smoother and more efficient for you. Next, open your trunk to access the tail light assembly. You will find two retaining screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, take your trim removal tool and gently pry the entire tail light assembly away from the vehicle's body. Be careful not to force it, as plastic components can be fragile. Now that the tail light assembly is free, you can access the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Once the socket is out, simply pull the old bulb straight out to remove it. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Ensure it is seated correctly to make a good electrical connection. This step is straightforward, but requires a gentle touch. Finally, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to secure it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws and tighten them securely, but do not over-tighten. The last crucial step is to test your new brake light. Have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm it illuminates properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.